Ritwa ria President wa tene Uhuru wa KENYATTA thiini wa uteti wa githurano kinene kia mwaka ukite rironekana tari guthio na mbere na guthukanirio. Muica ikuhe gikundi kia atongoria mwena wa thirikari ni mararutire Uhuru mukana makimwira ati abatie gutigana na uteti arita President Uhuru kuwira na kwaga uguo ni ekurugamirio mbeca iria arihagwo. No mutongoria wa kiama kia DCP Rigathi wa Gachagua ni erekeire atongoria ya na njira ndito akimera ati Uhuru ari na kihoto gia gigatiba kuhura uteti na mikana yao no ta kuhura mai na ndiri.
I don't think President Uhuru Kenyatta can give up his constitutional obligations because of allowances. President Uhuru Kenyatta is not a poor man. He's a Kenyan who has worked hard. He's a Kenyan who has money and resources. And I don't think the President Uhuru Kenyatta can be told to shut up so that he gets allowances or he doesn't get.
Gachagua augete ati miario ya kung'ethera Uhuru iraumana na urugari wa KIUTETI uria ung'etheire President William RUTO makiria kuma gicigo-ini kia Mount Kenya na ati RUTO ni akoretwo akinyotera gucokereria ndugu yake na Uhuru no gukaringa IHIGA.
The Mount Kenya region, those who voted for him, those who voted for ARIA are all against him. He had hoped he could persuade President Uhuru Kenyatta to assist him to divide the mountain. Even when he went to cry to him in Chaweri, he was there on a mission to see how he can get President Uhuru Kenyatta to see whether in one way or another he could cause some confusion and the mountain is divided so that the mountain vote does not go to somebody else.
Hamwe na uguo Rigathi augite ati atongoria mwena mung'ethaniro kuma kirima-ini ni mararutithania wira hamwe na Uhuru niguo kunyitithania kirima na akanyururia miario ya President RUTO ya ica ikuhi ya kuga ati igeria ria Uhuru kuriukia Azimio hatari na kiama kia ODM ni tuhu.
President Uhuru Kenyatta cannot allow President William RUTO to divide the mountain. President Kenyatta and I and other leaders, Martha Karua, Justin Muturi, Mithika Linturi, will do whatever it takes to make sure the mountain is united, because that vote is very important to this country and it is a vote that will help the rest of Kenyans get rid of William RUTO. So I want to ask William RUTO to stop sending junior leaders to abuse President Uhuru Kenyatta.
Miario ino ya Gachagua yukite riri gukoretwo na mwihoko ati Uhuru na Gachagua ni mariyumiria king'ang'a-ini mari hamwe na Gachagua niranire ati ni kurugama na Uhuru.
They have no moral authority to address President Uhuru Kenyatta. President Uhuru Kenyatta is the retired president of the Republic of Kenya, a statesman, a very serious nationalist.
Ihinda-ini oro riu Gachagua niokiriire RUTO ni undu wa kiria ugite ndonanitie mubango mukinyereru wa kuhitana na ng'aragu iria ng'etheire ya Kenya matanyihire milioni 3 akiuga ati riu ni ihinda ng'aragu ino yanirirwo ta king'uki gia gibururi niguo andu a wendi mwega kuma bururi-ini na nja wa bururi moerere.
William RUTO must declare the drought in northern Kenya a national disaster. Such a declaration will unlock the scale of national and international response required to save lives, protect livelihoods, and restore dignity of the Kenyan people.
Handu-ini ya Kameme TV ritwa riakwa ni Kimani wa Gujiri.